Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and this all important point learn here. This important point is very useful Solidworks any crack interview in design field. Guys, this Solidworks lecture first okay all point is very important for crack interview in design field. And guys, Solidworks lecture first is discuss here and Solidworks important point for interview and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Guys, any cracks in design field, then all point is a all Solidworks command definition. Remember tips. This point is very important for Solidworks interview question, and this question is a short remember in mind, and this is a very useful crack any Solidworks question for interview, and this very useful and very helpful for life in design field. Okay, this is a beginner a student and also professional students is also this this point all point is very important and learn here means extruded boss, revolve boss, swept boss, lofted boss and boundary boss, all definition and all remember points a long term is in use in mind, and this all definition is very important learn here. Okay guys, this all point is this is our Solidworks interface and all point is discuss here. At first extruded boss means this definition is very important, and some basic definition and some basic point is a learn here, and this is a very important. Extruded at first how to use in extruded boss means extruded a sketch counter in one or two direction to create a solid feature. Okay, how to easily drawing extruded boss means at first create any geometry, then use a one or two direction to create a feature. At first drawing any plane, then create any geometry, and then use extrude boss, and extrude boss is increase any direction, one direction or two direction. Okay, means at first create any geometry and then use counters in one or two direction to create a solid feature. Okay, revolve boss means 2 point is very important. First point is a revolve a sketch or created a sketch, revolve a sketch, created a sketch counters around an axis to create a solid feature. First point is a draw any geometry, draw any sketch, and second point is a this axis is drawing here, and then this geometry is a revolve any axis around axis, then create a solid feature. Okay, revolve boss create a 3D body is a revolve boss, then 2 point is very important. At first point is a draw any geometry, and second point is a draw any axis, then this geometry is a around an axis, then create a solid feature. Next point is a swept boss means swept means 2 point is also discussed here. First is a swept a close profile and a close path. Okay, then create a solid feature means sweep a solid profile along an open a closed path to create a solid feature. this is a very important. First is a draw any profile, and this is a also a close profile is very important. So if a close profile is drawing here, and along and open a close path to create a solid feature. Next point is a lofted boss, means very important, and this is a adds material between two or more profile to create a solid feature. Means at first draw any reference plane, and two or more plane is created here, and then all plane is a separately drawing a geometry, then all geometry is connected to each other, and then create a solid feature. Okay, and this is a very important, and boundary boss is also very important because adds material between profile in two direction to create a solid feature. Means same like lofted, but is boundary is only two direction, and lofted means two or more than two is applicable here. Okay guys, boundary boss is drawing here. At first reference plane is drawing only two, and then separately a drawing a both is a two geometry drawing here and connected to each other, then use a boundary boss and two profile, and two drawing a two profile is connected to each other, then create a solid feature. But guys, this is a very important. Lofted boss and boundary boss between difference is very important. This is a simple difference. Is a boundary boss is a only two profile, only two reference plane is created here, and both a separate is geometry is designed here, and geometry is a one circle and one rectangle is also designed here. And again lofted boss means a more than two more than two body, more than two a reference plane is created here, and all is a one by one is created a geometry of circle rectangle circle rectangle. Okay, one by one is created here, and then connect and apply lofted boss, then connect to each other and created a solid feature. Both is a difference is very easily and clearly learn here. Okay, and okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and then this point is a very important, and this point is a remember in mind, and this is a very useful crack any Solidworks interview question. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.